Hi guys, this is Daniel from FND. In this video, we are going to see how to create consistent AI characters for your AI images, AI videos, and AI influencers. So let's get started. Go to ChatGPT and paste this prompt. I'm going to give this prompt as a notepad file and drop it in the description. You can go to that link and download it. Then click on enter and you need to select different art style. From here, I'm going to select a realistic and it will give three different options to select from. You can select completely random character. It will give you the complete random character. Next one is I want to choose everything, means you will be selecting every features like facial features, hair, outfit, ethnicity, etc. The third option is similar to the second option. So you will be selecting any one from these three. First, I'm gonna choose completely random character and it will generate one random character prompt. Copy it and go to Google Flow. You can select any a image generator. I'm gonna use Google Nano Banana Pro. So I'm gonna go to Google Flow, create with Google Flow, log in with your Google account and click on new project. And I'm gonna select Nano Banana Pro as a model. You can also select Nano Banana 2, but for realistic images, I'm gonna recommend Nano Banana Pro and ratio 1:1 and paste the prompt. It will take something like 30 seconds to create one image. So let's wait and see. And you can see it generated one random character. You can select from here or you can also make some changes. Go to ChatGPT and mention the changes, like you need to change the outfit to streetwear, change the hairstyle to long, body type to slim. So it will again generate a prompt and copy that prompt. And if you want the same facial feature, you can click on this and add to prompt and you can paste this prompt. Or else if you don't want this same facial feature, you can remove this. And you can see it generated a completely different character with the streetwear style outfit. So if you want, you can proceed with this character or else you can select your own character. I want to choose everything. So copy it and paste over here and enter. It will ask for a type of character. I'm going to select human. Ethnicity, I'm going to select Asian. It is asking for the gender. I'm going to select female, late 20s. Body type, I'm going to select athletic. Skin details, I'm going to choose natural realistic skin. You can also give unique face or special features. You can select anyone from here or you can also give your own. For example, if your character have unique trait like half hair is black and half hair is white, you can specify that over here. Also, you can give multiple special features. I'm gonna give sharp jawline. So you can give the hairstyle. Hair length is medium. I'm gonna specify the hair color is black. Smooth hair texture. I accidentally give the hair color is black, but on the previous step I mentioned the special feature as half hair is white and half hair is black. So I'm gonna tell the ChatGPT half hair is white and half hair is black. Then I'm gonna give the outfit and the accessories. The outfit is streetwear. I'm going to leave the accessories as none. I'm going to give the character vibe as confident. No power, normal character. Neutral, facial expression. So now copy this prompt and paste it on the Google Flow, and you can see your unique character is created. If you're okay with this character, you can proceed to the next steps. So you need to create the multiple character angles to create the consistent character. So go to ChatGPT. If you're okay with this character, click on OK, and it will ask for a different character angles. First six are the necessary character angles, and these are the optional. So first we need to do these six angles. I'm gonna go with face close-up first. Copy that, paste it on the ChatGPT prompt box, and it will generate one prompt. Copy that prompt and go to Google Flow and click on this three dot icons and click on add to prompt. Then you need to add this prompt, copy it from ChatGPT, and you can see it generated the face close-up. And if you want to make the skin texture more realistic, I'm gonna give one prompt, and this one looks realistic. For some characters it will not show the skin texture properly, so you can use this prompt for those characters. Select this face close-up image and click on this three dot and click on add to prompt and paste this prompt for realistic skin texture. I dropped this prompt as well in the description box as a notepad file. You can download it, then click on proceed, and you will get the character with realistic skin texture. You can see that the skin texture is realistic. Then we need to go to ChatGPT and select the side view, copy, paste, and copy this prompt and go to Google Flow. Now we need to add this image to prompt and also this image to prompt and paste the side view prompt and generate. Again, go to ChatGPT. Now we need to generate the back view. Copy the prompt. Now add this side view to prompt, this face close up to prompt, and also this to prompt. Now paste the back view prompt and enter. Now generate the prompt for 3x4 front view. Copy this. Now add all the generated images before, add to prompt, side view add to prompt, back view also add to prompt, then paste the 3x4 front view prompt, enter. Same for 3x4 back view. Add to prompt, add to prompt, add to prompt the side view, add to prompt the face close up, add to prompt the straight view, then paste the 3x4 back view prompt. Now do the same for front mid shot. Copy, paste, generate the prompt, copy it, add all the previously generated images, add to prompt, 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 also add this to prompt, then paste the mid shot prompt, then generate the image. Now we have created the mid shot. So we generated all the necessary character angles. Now we can generate a videos, a images, and create your a influencer. So you can use this same character for your a influencer. So let me show you that. Now add all the generated images to the prompt and type in your prompt, make the character walk in the New York street. And you can see the character is walking in the New York street. And you can also make different images with the same character. Also you can generate videos. So to generate videos, you need to click on here and select a video option. I'm going to choose ingredients and Omni Flash. Make the character drinks coffee in the coffee shop. And you can see your character drinking the coffee inside the coffee shop. You can see the consistency in the character. So likewise, you can generate multiple images and multiple videos using this concept. You need to add all the images you generated into the prompt, and you can type in any prompt and it will make your character come to life. It is not only for realistic character, you can also try semi-realistic cartoon characters, etc. So let me show you one example for cartoon character. So I'm gonna copy this same prompt and paste, and I'm gonna select cartoon, and I'm gonna choose completely random character. Copy and paste on Google Flow with the Nano Banana Pro. Remove all the previous images and paste. And you can see it is generated completely random cartoon character. If you want your own cartoon character, you need to select I want to choose everything, and you can specify each character features, and you can generate your own cartoon character. Likewise, you can choose anime, 3D animated comic book character for your AI videos and AI images. So that's it. This is how we can create consistent characters using ChatGPT and Google Flow. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more future tutorials. Also press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification when I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and bye.